Boys and girls, okay, we're continuing on our series on ratio from the 11 Plus Maths Guide, available from livechangetuition.com or purchased directly from Amazon. And today we're going to be doing revisiting ratio and just practicing some examples. Okay, so seeing ratio in practice. So the first question we have is making soup. So if we just scroll down a little bit. So, making soup. So the question is, John makes a cake from 4 grams of sugar with every 8 grams of flour. Remember, ratio is comparing part with part. So we always draw a table. So let's say sugar here and flour here. So he uses 4 grams of sugar for every 8 grams of flour. So that's the thing. And he says here he now uses 16 grams of sugar. So we put that 16 grams on this side on the sugar table, and then we draw our copycat arrow. Remember, bigger means times, smaller means divide. It's getting bigger, so times by 4. Copycat arrow, these are. So you do the same thing here, times by 4, which gives you 32. So you need 32 grams of flour. Okay, don't forget the copycats, yeah? Bigger means times, smaller means divide. Okay, so let's move on to the next example. So this time we're comparing pounds with dollars. So I'll draw my table. Okay, so we have pounds on this side, dollars on this side, and we start off with our starting ones are £1 is equal to $1.5. And then it says how much pounds do you get for £5? So £5, we put it in the 5 on the pounds column. So to get to here, and then draw the copycat arrow to get to here. From 1 to 5, remember it's getting bigger. So how do we get from 1 to 5? What are the times by? Times by 5. You have to do the same thing on the other side. Times by 5. 1.5 times 5. 5, 2. 5 times 1 is 5. Add 2, 7. And there's a decimal point. So look at how many. Use our invisible fishing net. How many numbers to the right of it? Only 1. So move 1 place to the end. So it's 7.5. And that's the answer. So $7.5 is what we need. Which is that one there. Okay. Last one we got on this is the items example. So it says 9 items cost 63p. How much do 11 items cost? So let's draw a table here. So comparing items with pence. And my ratio is comparing part with part. This time we're comparing items with pence. It says 9 items cost 63p. How much does 11 items cost? Now we can't go directly from 9 to 11, so we use a stepping stone. So we use 1 as a stepping stone. Because once we work out 1, then you can work out 11. To get to here, it's getting smaller. So smaller means divide by 9. Divide by 9, which equals 7. And then to get to here, times by 11. So times this one by 11, which equals 77. And that's how we do it, 77p. Great. See you in the next video series. So carrying on and ratio next one. And see you. Bye.